When we finished our drainage master plan, I did meet with all of them. And at the time, it was still Congressman Rillo. And I requested all the congressmen, if you are gonna request or lobby for funds for your flood control projects in your district, kindly use our plan. Because we have a plan, and in the plan, we need 27 billion to complete all our flood control interventions, and we will more or less address this problem after this plan has been implemented. And that was my request to them.
Mayor Joy, kailangan pa ba yung ipakiusap sa mga kongresista? May plano ang lungsod, pero nandun ka, nakiusap ka pa kung pwede nilang gamitin. I mean, is that how it goes? Bakit hindi nila sinunod? Kung meron mang suway, bakit? And what could be their explanation?